All right, welcome back, everybody. We told you at the beginning of the newscast those couple of wildfires up really in the south end of the Flathead Valley up on the Indian Reservation there. Got more in the way of some fires into north central Washington, parts of southwestern Idaho. The largest fires burning in the state, though, in the United States right now, northern California. So that's producing the majority of the smoke that we're seeing, and a lot of those fires into Utah, Colorado, Arizona, and New Mexico kind of easing back just a little bit, less activity because of more monsoon activity here recently. Dark skies, had some storms over the Elkhorns earlier. A little cooler now, 84. Look at the wind, gusting up to 36 miles per hour. Outflow from thunderstorms. The thunderstorms collapse, the wind, the air races to the ground, then hits the surface and moves across the surface here, and that's what we're looking at. 93, though, still up in Great Falls. 98 in Havre. Nowhere hit 100 as far as I was able to study here today, but 99 in Harlem, 98 in Chinook. It was a pretty hot one up here along the High Line. Those were for the high temperatures. Wind speeds, Helena, again, thunderstorms in the area, some outflow winds, and that's why the wind is the strongest right there. Look at the humidity, 14% in Havre, 15% in Great Falls, and only 13% Cut Bank. It's dry. Kalispell, right through the area where we have the fires burning here, down through the Bitterroot Valley. Heat advisory for Friday, as temperatures will be up in the 90s to near 100. Missoula probably hitting 100 degrees coming up this Friday. A lot of lightning strikes in the southwestern part of the state. A lot of beetle kill in the forest here as well. These thunderstorms northwest of Helena look really promising, but see them kind of collapsing and fizzling out. The thunderstorms collapsing, it's allowing that air to run down to the ground and create some gusty conditions. So that's problematic with lightning strikes here. And of course, it's been hot and dry. A couple of storms also up here north central Montana. Still a pair of low pressures, one moving now southeast of Wyoming. That's still producing some storms in southeast Montana, and this one moving through the western part of the state right now. But monsoon high continues to dominate the weather here in the western U.S. Here's the forecast for tonight. Still a couple of showers and storms around Helena and also up there close to Havre, down around the Bear Paw Mountains there, but quieting down through the overnight hours. For tomorrow, fewer thunderstorms, more sunshine. Temperatures will be pretty warm. Fewer thunderstorms, just a few isolated thunderstorms, little belts, the big belts maybe right up on the Rocky Mountain front as well, and maybe a stray rogue thunderstorm out there across the High Line tomorrow afternoon and evening. Heading into Friday, this is when the temperatures will start to warm up even more here. Again, a heat advisory for the western part of the state, and we'll have a couple of isolated thunderstorms popping into the afternoon and the evening, but really kind of no rhyme or reason. They'll just be popping up near the mountains and then drifting off into the lower elevations. Tonight, another fairly warm night for a lot of the state, 50s and 60s. Remember, just last weekend, we were in the 30s and 40s for lows. Tomorrow, little front may kick off again. A couple of isolated thunderstorms across the High Line and over the central mountains here. A hot day, 90s for most locations. Friday, 80s and 90s, slightly cooler air behind that front for central and eastern Montana, but there's Missoula right around 100 degrees. Saturday, getting close to 100 in Helena. 98, 95 in Great Falls, a couple of isolated thunderstorms in the western part of the state, and then into Sunday, 99 Helena, 98 Great Falls, mid-90s for Cut Bank. It will be a hot first weekend of August. Here's the 7-day forecast, and yeah, it looks like the peak of the heat will be Sunday and Monday, slightly cooler for Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday's winds could be problematic as far as the fire danger goes. And then for Great Falls, low 90s the next couple of days, isolated thunderstorms, but the heat is on Sunday and Monday.